Some capitals are famous, others you've never heard of. Can you guess them all? Grab your thinking cap. Your quiz starts now. In which city were Plato's Academy and Aristotle's Lyceum founded? Athens. At sea level on the Mediterranean, if not Algiers, which capital is it? Tunis. On the Caspian Sea, which Eurasian capital lies below sea level in the Land of Fire? Baku. Casablanca isn't Morocco's capital. What city, meaning fortified place, actually is? Rabat. La Paz shares capital duties with which sweet Bolivian city? Sucre. Which Red Sea nation's capital sits 2.3 kilometers high and was once an Italian colony? Asmara. Africa's highest capital city, at 2.3 kilometers above sea level, also hosts the African Union. Name it. Addis Ababa. In which city, also called the City of 1,000 Minarets, was the Arab League founded in 1945? Cairo. South Africa has 3 capitals. Name the cities of jacarandas, penguins, and roses. Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. In which city is St. Basil's Cathedral located on Red Square near the Kremlin? Moscow. Which East African capital, at 1.8 kilometers above sea level, is nicknamed the Green City in the Sun? Nairobi. Which South American capital, over 4 kilometers high in the Andes, is an administrative capital? La Paz. At sea level on Hispaniola, which Caribbean capital is the oldest Spanish colony? Santo Domingo. One meter below sea level, which European capital is famous for canals and coffee shops? Amsterdam. Toronto isn't Canada's capital. What bilingual city in Ontario actually is? Ottawa. At sea level, which Pacific capital on Viti Levu is one of its country's only 2 cities? Suva. Chicago isn't Illinois' capital. What city sharing a Simpsons name is? Springfield. At 1.8 kilometers high in the Hindu Kush, which world capital are we in? Kabul. Which city's architecture still reflects French colonization from 1873 to 1945? Hanoi. Which Latin American capital is home to Torre Colpatria and the Teatro Colón? Bogotá. Which capital, nearly 3 kilometers high and near an active volcano, was one of the first UNESCO heritage sites? Quito. What is the only city in the world that completely contains an independent nation within itself? Rome. Which small sea-level city-state in Southeast Asia became a global commercial hub? Singapore. At 2.3 kilometers high, which Middle Eastern capital is home to the Grand Mosque and Gumdan Palace? Sana'a. Known as the capital of the land of the Thunder Dragon, which city is home to Buddha Point? Thimphu. On Borneo at sea level, which Southeast Asian capital is ruled by a sultan? Bandar Seri Begawan. Which city, once nicknamed Venice of the North, became known as Phoenix City after World War II. Warsaw. Sydney isn't Australia's capital. What planned city built in 1908 is? Canberra. Which city holds the record for having the world's longest official place name? Bangkok. Rio isn't Brazil's capital. Which modernist purpose-built city is? Brasilia. Auckland isn't New Zealand's capital. What Cook Strait city is? Wellington. Switzerland's capital isn't Zurich or Geneva. What medieval German-speaking city is it? Bern. Which city began as a mobile monastery town, moving 28 times before settling in its current location? Ulaanbaatar. Which city is nicknamed the City of Hundred Spires? Prague. Which West African capital at sea level is named after an American president? Monrovia. Which Turkish city, linked to Angora wool, is the capital? Ankara. Which Scandinavian capital at sea level is famous for Tivoli Gardens and the Öresund? Copenhagen. At sea level in Central America, which capital once destroyed by pirates still stands today? Panama City. Which city, nicknamed the Big Durian, has the second largest urban population in the world? Jakarta. Which capital in the Americas, at 2.2 kilometers, lies in a volcanic basin with both active and dormant volcanoes? Mexico City. That's it. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and challenge your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more geography fun every week.